Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Ford Escape SE in blue metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, dual exhaust tips, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, rear backup camera, sync communications and entertainment system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6084A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.